TubeBuddy.com, and this is a bitch session this time out. I'm going to bitch about TubeBuddy and the changes they made and how annoying and intrusive it is now. I really like TubeBuddy for a couple different things for their certificates, just because it's cool to see how the channel graduates and goes up in levels and gets more users and more videos, and they give you little certificates to follow what your channel is doing. So that's pretty cool. And I use their keyword. They give you 3 free keywords, and then you'd have to sign up for the service or do other things in order to get the service in order to get more than that. But they've totally changed that to where it's really annoying now, and I'm going to show you. And I'm interested in what you think as far as that is concerned. So here's a short video I did on Ellis Island. So I'm going to put, I'll put Ellis Island. And then, so this pops up each time. So it gives you, so I just signed up for an account for this particular YouTube channel. So you have 3 remaining for free license, which is fine, which is great. Okay, great. So you give me all these keywords. I'll do Ellis Island, New York, history, immigrants. All right, and then I'll do Statue of Liberty. Okay, I got 2 more remaining 2 remaining hints, or whatever you want to call them there for. So Statue of Liberty history I'll do, and that's really all I need as far as this is concerned. And then I'll put in New York City. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay, good enough. So here's my suggestions. So, okay, I'll grab New York City. Migrant crisis, no, it's not what that's about. Okay, that's great. So there's New York City. All right, now I'll put... not really sure. Immigrants. All right, so this keeps popping up each time. It's intrusive and it's annoying, and there's nowhere where you can put don't show this again, because I don't want this popping up each time that I'm trying to put in my keywords. So, and if I have VidIQ, which is another service that I really like. So I'll put VidIQ. Not aware of this one. This is like a competitor of TubeBuddy. All right, so I'll sign in with that. And I'm going to add my YouTube channel. Here's this. Allow. And I'll need to get the plugin. So that's great. Download extension. So I'll add the Chrome. Okay. And if you're not aware, you just go into this puzzle piece and you can pin it there. So I got both TubeBuddy going right there, and then I got VidIQ. So let me go back here and I'll do a save, and then I'll do a refresh. So I got both on there. All right. So. All right, sure. TubeBuddy, if you go down here, I do believe they give you 3 suggestions that you could do. Great. Thank you, TubeBuddy. I appreciate that. But again, if I'm going here, I'll put immigration this time. All right. So this is VidIQ is on top of this. Sometimes it's behind, which is annoying. But this time out, it's on top, which is great, which is fine. But then you still got the TubeBuddy thing in the background, and it's very annoying. So I don't know why they changed that or why they did that. I'm interested in what you're thinking as far as that's concerned. So what I end up doing is removing this from Chrome, and I'll only add the extension if I want to get their certificates. I don't really use TubeBuddy that much, except for my keywords. I'm not going to pay for it just for that. And I don't make any money off my YouTube channel, and I'm not, I don't have a lot of money. I'm a poor person. So once the channel, makes good money, if it ever does, then I'll purchase it. Then I'll get a monthly subscription or yearly subscription, but that's not right now. So, all right, let me save again. And All right, so TubeBuddy is gone. I'll put in Ellis Island again. And then, so VidIQ gives me 5 suggestions. History of immigration, I'll do that, which is great. Thank you, VidIQ. So I'll end up using VidIQ, which VidIQ, I should say, which I've used before, not as much as TubeBuddy, but TubeBuddy is making me go to VidIQ and installing the plugin. So that's my bitch on that. I don't know why they did that. It's annoying as hell. It annoys me enough to make this video and to share this with you. So I'm kind of curious as to what you think. Have you come up against this? Does it annoy you? Are there other features of TubeBuddy that annoys you? Or are there other features of TubeBuddy that you think are just spectacular and awesome? Again, I don't really use it that much. VidIQ, I don't really use it that much. I use it for keywords, and that's about it, and for certificates. So you get your little pretty certificates I can upload to my Facebook. So that's it, gals and guys. I'm bitching and moaning and complaining. So please subscribe now after I bitched and moaned and complained, and hit the like button if you like, and share and hit the bell, you know, all that good stuff. And yeah, let me know what you think. I'm very curious, down in the description or down in the comments, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.
We've seen you asking, what is TubeBuddy? Good question. Let's take some time to answer this. TubeBuddy is designed to help you save time, get more views, and do more on YouTube. TubeBuddy is a browser extension, but most people say a browser plugin. It's like Grammarly or Honey. It adds extra options to your web browser. In TubeBuddy's case, we add tools directly on top of YouTube. You can install TubeBuddy on Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. We'll have an article in the description on where you can find and install TubeBuddy for free. After installing TubeBuddy, simply go to youtube.com and you'll see our features right inside YouTube with this TubeBuddy logo right here. All you need to do is sign in. In addition to the extension, we have a mobile app that we update frequently. Plus, we offer a bunch of other tools which can be found on the TubeBuddy website. Now, downloading TubeBuddy won't instantly get you results, although that would be awesome. No, TubeBuddy is like any tool. For example, if you wanted to cut down a tree, you could just use your hands. This would take a while and be painful, but it can be done. With the right tools like an axe, it can be done quicker, easier, and pain-free. And with the paid versions of TubeBuddy, it's like using a chainsaw, giving you more time to focus on the task at hand and less time focusing on the problems. Or, in the case of YouTube with TubeBuddy, your painful journey becomes a lot simpler, so you can focus more on creating content and less time on the back end with things such as titles, description, and tags. We want to empower you to create more and work less.
Does running a YouTube channel sometimes make you feel dazed and confused? Well, that's why you might need a little education. VidIQ can review your channel in seconds, 24 hours a day. It's like having our own YouTube consultant giving you all of this information. Do a YouTube search and we'll show you the stats, the value of that keyword, what's related, what's trending, what tags each video uses, and a deep dive with a single click. After research comes analysis. Our video scorecard will pick apart all the important analytics from social media to SEO, and we do this for every single video on YouTube for free. And when it comes to uploading your videos, VidIQ is here to support you every step of the way, with suggested keywords, our SEO score ranking, upload checklist, and recommended tags, boosting your content to the next level. Oh, and if you think we finished there, we haven't even started. We have dozens more tools we want to show you right now. All you need to do is download VidIQ now and let us help educate you on your YouTube journey today.